Welcome to our channel. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 is a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to delivering a blend of style, performance, and accessibility. This compact sports bike has consistently been a favorite among beginner and intermediate riders, and the 2025 model solidifies its position as a leader in the lightweight sport bike segment. Kawasaki has made subtle yet impactful updates to ensure it remains competitive while continuing to capture the hearts of riders worldwide. At the core of the 2025 Ninja 400 is its reliable 399cc parallel twin engine, which offers a smooth and linear power delivery. This engine is liquid-cooled, ensuring optimal performance even during extended rides or under challenging conditions. The power output strikes the perfect balance for a variety of riders, offering enough excitement for seasoned enthusiasts while remaining manageable for those new to motorcycling. The throttle response is crisp, and the torque is well distributed, making the bike equally adept at city commuting, highway cruising, and spirited weekend rides on twisty roads. The 2025 Ninja 400 boasts a lightweight chassis that contributes to its nimble handling and rider-friendly ergonomics. The trellis frame, inspired by its larger sibling, the Ninja H2, ensures stability and agility. Coupled with its low curb weight, the bike feels planted in corners while remaining easy to maneuver in traffic. The suspension setup, consisting of a 41mm telescopic front fork and a preload adjustable rear monoshock, provides a comfortable yet sporty ride. Whether navigating city streets riddled with potholes or carving through mountain roads, the Ninja 400 delivers a balanced and confidence-inspiring experience. Kawasaki has paid close attention to the styling of the 2025 Ninja 400, ensuring it embodies the aggressive aesthetics of its larger Ninja counterparts. The sharp, angular bodywork, dual LED headlights, and aerodynamic design give it a striking and modern appearance. Available in a range of bold color schemes, including the iconic Kawasaki green, the bike is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. The fairings not only enhance its visual appeal but also offer effective wind protection, making longer rides more comfortable for the rider. The 2025 model includes significant technological advancements to cater to the evolving needs of riders. The inclusion of a full-color TFT display provides a wealth of information at a glance, including speed, gear position, fuel level, and even Bluetooth connectivity. The Kawasaki Radiology app enhances the riding experience by allowing riders to track their trips, monitor vehicle data, and even receive maintenance reminders. This integration of technology ensures that the Ninja 400 remains a modern and practical choice for today's motorcyclists. Safety has always been a priority for Kawasaki, and the 2025 Ninja 400 reflects this commitment with its advanced braking system. Equipped with a dual-piston caliper and 310mm semi-floating disc at the front, alongside a 220mm rear disc, the braking performance is both responsive and predictable. The inclusion of ABS as standard ensures additional safety, particularly in wet or slippery conditions. The lightweight 17-inch wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, further enhance grip and stability, allowing riders to push their limits with confidence. Ergonomics play a significant role in the Ninja 400's appeal, and the 2025 model continues this tradition. The slightly aggressive yet comfortable riding position strikes the perfect balance between sportiness and everyday usability. The seat height of 785mm makes it accessible for riders of varying heights, while the well-padded seat ensures comfort on longer journeys. The handlebars and footpeg positioning contribute to a natural and relaxed posture, reducing fatigue during extended rides. Fuel efficiency is another area where the Ninja 400 excels. The 2025 model maintains its reputation for being economical, making it an excellent choice for riders looking to minimize running costs. With a generous fuel tank capacity of 14 liters, the bike offers impressive range, allowing riders to enjoy longer rides without frequent refueling stops. The Ninja 400's versatility is further highlighted by its appeal to a wide range of riders. For beginners, it serves as an ideal entry point into the world of sport bikes, offering manageable power and intuitive handling. For experienced riders, it provides a lightweight and fun option for track days or spirited weekend rides. Its blend of performance, style, and affordability makes it a favorite among commuters and enthusiasts alike. Kawasaki's attention to detail is evident in the overall build quality of the 2025 Ninja 400. The fit and finish are impeccable, with premium materials used throughout. The switchgear feels solid, and the paintwork is both vibrant and durable. The bike's reliability is well documented, and Kawasaki's extensive dealership and service network ensures peace of mind for owners. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 400 represents a harmonious blend of performance, style, and practicality. It continues to set the standard in the lightweight sport bike category, appealing to riders of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking for a confidence-inspiring bike or a seasoned rider seeking an agile and fun machine, the Ninja 400 delivers on all fronts. Its combination of modern technology, sharp design, and exceptional performance ensures it remains a standout choice in a competitive market. Kawasaki has once again proven that great things come in small packages, and the 2025 Ninja 400 is a shining example of this philosophy. THNX for watching.